these old school shows, but guess what? We didn't know they were anime. We just thought they were weird, cool shows. You know? It's like, why do they talk so funny? You know? Why is everything such a heightened, you know what I mean? Like Pop's Racer, you know? We would always imitate those guys.
I built the Mach 5. I know what it's capable of doing.
And everything was like so intense, you know? And like Spritle and Chim Chim and stuff, you know? Whenever they would look the other way instead of going, they would go, they always make these big noises. So my friend and I always used to imitate Speed Racer, but we didn't know it was anime. We didn't know where it came from. We just knew it was drawn differently. It had a stylized kind of a look to it. But I always loved acting. I just loved performing. Ever since I was very young, I did all the plays in my church, and then I sang in church, and then I did all the plays at my school. And I went to drama camps where I would learn acting and set building and lighting and makeup. And then I got to high school and college, and I acted in all the theater programs and minored in theater. But voice acting, never even thought about it. Never even occurred to me. And then I was working on a video production with a friend of mine in Houston, and my friend said, "Hey, you've got a lot of experience acting, don't you?" And I said, "Yeah." And he said, "You ought to go and audition for this place called ADV Films. They buy this Japanese animation and they dub it into English, and they need actors." And I was like, "Really? That sounds fun." So I went and auditioned, and I got cast. My first role was Vega in Street Fighter II. And then another show, and another show, and another show. I'm always very, very careful to thank God for the chance to be in anime, because I didn't plan it. It's nothing I set out to do. It's nothing that I studied, and it was my dream goal. It was just a door that opened, and I kind of inadvertently stepped through, and it's been a really wonderful experience. So I'm very grateful for that experience, for that opportunity.